adventure.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is May 24th.
What?
I know already. And I just want some updates. It looks like you've got that trimmed out.
Yeah, I'd cut this down where it fits a little bit better. Conceals that lip edge so I can put some screws there and hold all this together. And conceals the opening for the fridge. So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do here and paint this back, but we can do a little trim so the door can open.
Very nice.
But that's getting closer. So yeah, we got the metal edge finished. Got bamboo installed up here, covering all that. Got the wiring tucked in. And then
We've got the first door on and the first shelf.
First shelf. This will be stationary here, but these can pop out like that. And that way, if you have something bigger, we can either load it in from this side. I'll have another shelf here I'm thinking about. Probably another shelf here, one there. There'll be another. We'll do another door here.
Okay.
With another shelf, and then I need to cut down this cabinet. So it'll be kind of like that. This one will be cut down a little bit more with another
Space in between.
style.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, and then this will be, so I've got to take this whole thing apart
Yeah.
and redo the dovetails and everything.
It's gonna be awesome. I think hold that door up there and then let me get a kind of a pan of everything. So if you kind of look, the white over here kind of balances the white over there. And so you've got this nice white transition to the black for the stove and some of the suitcases. And then you've got the suitcases over here, but then as you come up, you'll have that white of the pantry.
And this has
That'll
the same,
go.
and the same thing here with the white to the black,
Yeah.
white to the black.
With touches of the wood grain in, even the bathroom door here next to the whites and so I think it's going to tie the colors together. And then once you enter the bunk room, you kind of enter the Disney Cruise Line area where you have a touches of color, the reds and the blues. This is about the only place we have color, but it's in its own kind of quiet little nook, so I think it'll work.
I did installed this one upside down.
Oh, yes.
To have one of the numbers.
Very
So you
nice.
can see there. So there is a little bit that ties it in, even though it's hidden.
Well, and I've been thinking about it. Maybe I'll paint the insides of the cabinets the blue.
Oh, yes, I suppose.
Yeah, that's been what you've been working on the most, because it does need to be sturdy and safe and.
Yeah, I think that's really.
And then we can start getting the tools out of here soon.
Yeah. And then start on all the underside that needs to be weatherproofed and sealed up. And
It's not as fun stuff, but it's got to be done. So, But we'll have, if we can get all the tools out of here, we'll have this that we can play camp in until the bottom is done. And that'll
get Lupa used to it and kind of accustomed to the processes, so she's not in shell shock whenever we actually.
And get that dopamine hit of being able to walk in here and go, "Oh, look what we've accomplished."
Right.
Be able to show it off to people and get the dopamine hit, because this has been such a long process that we have struggled. We truly have.
Just keeping the motivation, the life interruptions, the different things that go on with.
Well, and just, it's been a hard project because it wasn't a project we wanted.
We didn't intend to. We thought it was just going to be very light, a few little aesthetic things, and maybe a little bit more weatherproofing every once in a while. We did not think it was going to be a complete demolition and rebuild.
And psychologically, that's tough because sometimes you don't have choices in life. You just have choices of how you react to them.
Right.
And in our world today, anger and fear, because of the way that social media works, is the main driver. They've proven that anger and fear will get 500 times more engagement.
Yeah.
And your body is triggered to go that way because of, and I think we're all suffering from an excess of cortisol due to all of that. And so I try to remain positive and focused, but I'm human and I break down over time.
And trying to stay away from that a little bit more. Working on this, you stay away from that stuff.
You stay grounded.
And then producing the videos and putting that back out and hopefully having a little bit of
a positive
thing, and just, you know,
trying,
if anything else, just kind of showing progress. And you know, it's really a record of memories for us as we get older and forget things. And
well, in these videos, even I'll be honest with you, sometimes when I go back to edit videos, it's only been a day or two and I've already forgotten some things. Cause,
it's already happening.
I mean, because doesn't life feel sometimes too much?
Well, yeah, most of the time.
I'm doing everything I can to try to be healthier and more positive, because they say stress, it makes you less healthy, and I'm suffering from that right now. My weight is up. You know, it doesn't help perimenopause and then menopause, because that just screws everything up. But anyway, we are trying our hardest to remain positive through a negative situation, because things happen and you gotta deal with it. And I think once we get the interior finished and get it cleaned up and we can play camp in it, it will give us that dopamine hit that we so need to finish this project and get it on the road. Yeah. So, always an adventure?
Always.
That's it for this Lake Alameda update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.